Understanding Nitro Pour, the smooth sensation in beverages. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might tickle the taste buds of coffee and beer enthusiasts alike. Nitro Pour. We'll break down what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in a sentence. So, grab your favorite drink, and let's get started. The term, nitro pour, refers to a method of pouring a beverage, which is usually coffee or beer, to infuse it with nitrogen gas. This creates a smoother, creamier texture compared to carbon dioxide. But why nitro? Nitro is shorthand for nitrogen, the gas used in this process. A nitro pour beverage is often characterized by its rich, velvety foam and unique mouthfeel, which is different from traditional carbonated drinks. The nitro pour concept is relatively modern, popularized by the craft beer and specialty coffee industries. It started with stout beers like Guinness, which are known for their creamy foam and smooth taste. This pouring technique uses a mix of nitrogen and carbon dioxide to achieve that iconic texture. Over time, coffee enthusiasts borrowed this method, leading to the invention of nitro cold brew coffee. A cold coffee served with a creamy head like a stout beer. Now that you know what a nitro pour is, let's use it in a sentence. I tried a nitro pour coffee this morning, and it was incredibly smooth. The bar offers several beers on a nitro pour for a richer taste. Can you tell the difference between a regular draft and a nitro pour? When you're at a cafe or a bar, asking for a nitro pour lets the server know you're looking for that creamy, silky experience that only nitrogen can provide in your beverage. And that's a wrap on Nitro Pour. We hope this video has given you insight into a delicious aspect of English vocabulary related to drinks. Try using the phrase next time you're exploring new coffee or beer options. Until our next lesson, keep practicing your English and stay curious. Cheers to learning and to a great cup or pint that awaits you with a Nitro Pour.